Welcome to Made-in-Alberta. I'm Barb Allard, and this is our chapter called Going Off-Grid. Being self-sufficient is a goal of many rural Albertans. Jim and Laurel Van Alstyne are finding that producing their own off-grid renewable power is a challenging but satisfying lifestyle choice.
We're on our acreage that we bought this year to fulfill our dreams of having solar and wind power and a field full of horses. We're in the process of building a barn to cover the horses and also cover my riding area. And then next year we hope to build an underground or an earth home.
Laurel and Jim have many good reasons for choosing to go with off-grid power.
We don't have to worry that in the middle of winter we don't have any power to run the furnace. And also the cost savings. Over time it will cost less. And also energy efficiency. You know, we're using nature's source of power instead of having to burn fossil fuels or whatever to supply our power.
To increase the productivity of the panels, they had their solar array mounted on a tracking system. Following the sun is now part of Laurel's daily routine.
And I go out and I turn the panels towards the sun, make sure that they're in the right angle. And I go out and do my chores and whatnot. And occasionally throughout the day, no, I'm not steady at it, but I'll go and just take a peek and see how they're sitting and see how much power is being produced, more out of curiosity than necessity. And about noon I'll turn the panels, 11 o'clock noon, somewhere in there I'll turn them. And then later on in the afternoon, if it's still sunny, I'll turn them again.
And what about the wind turbine? Do you have to do anything with that on a day-to-day basis?
No. Look up and see if it's turning. And hope for some more wind.
Though Laurel and Jim have built a system that satisfies all their needs, they do have to be conscious of how and when they use electricity.
Actually, I'm enjoying it because you turn your thought from coming home, flopping in front of the TV or the video games, to maybe going out and just wandering around the acreage or playing with the horses. And it takes you away from being concentrated on the electronic games and luxuries, I guess you'd call them, to being a little more self-sufficient and less dependent on those things.
Join us next week as we learn about the best of both worlds, a grid-tied solar electric system with a battery backup.